Greetings, beloved listeners. Welcome once again to Timeless Reality, where we speak truth, awaken consciousness, and inspire every soul to rise above the limitations of the mind. I am Amuchokoro, and today's message is one that pierces deeply into the human heart and society at large. A message that demands personal reflection, honesty, and transformation. Today we are discussing the anatomy of envy, the root cause of modern day hostility. Envy is not just an emotional issue, it is a spiritual sickness, a societal cancer, a destroyer of peace, progress, and harmony. It affects individuals, families, communities, organizations, tribes, nations, and every human affiliation. This discussion is not to condemn anyone, but to bring us to awareness, to help us see how envy delays success, blinds judgments, weakens relationships, and destroys destinies. Number one, what is envy? And let us understand that emotion behind hostility. Envy is the pain you feel at someone else's progress. It is the secret discomfort you experience when another person shines. It is the silent anger that grows when someone becomes what you hoped to be. Envy is not always loud. Many times it hides behind smiles, greetings, compliments, or silence. But its energy is heavy, negative, and destructive. Natural law teaches these truths. What you resent, you repel. What you bless, you attract. If you resent someone's success, you are unknowingly pushing your own blessings away. If you envy someone's progress, you block your own path to growth. Number two, let us consider the hidden root of modern day hostility. Now, let me ask you, why do families scatter? Why do communities fight? Why do tribes compete destructively? Why do workplace tensions rise? Why do nations stagnate? Why do friends turn into enemies? The answer is simple and painful. Envy. Envy grows when people compare themselves to others. When they forget that destiny is unique. When they believe that another person's rise is their personal downfall, which is a lie. When they measure their progress with someone else's timeline. Natural law does not support competition built on hatred. It does not support hostility built on insecurity. It does not bless the heart that wishes another person to fall. When envy becomes active in a society, peace disappears, love dies, unity scatters, development slows, trust breaks down, and progress becomes impossible. Envy is the foundation of many modern day conflicts in marriages, politics, businesses, tribes, and even religious bodies. In this discussion, I want you to know that envy makes nobody rise. And here is the truth. You cannot rise while envying someone who is rising. Envy drains the energy you should use to improve yourself. Envy shifts your focus from your own path to another person's lane. Envy wastes your time. Envy blinds you to your own gifts. Envy disconnects you from natural laws of growth, abundance, and peace. Envy turns you into a watcher instead of a worker. It turns you into a complainer instead of a contributor, a critic instead of a creator. You cannot hate someone's success and attract success. You cannot celebrate failure in others and expect nature to bless you. You cannot block a person's path and expect a smooth path for yourself. A free mind is a progressive mind. A grateful mind is a blessed mind. A peaceful mind attracts opportunities. A supporting mind grows faster. Now let us look at how envy destroys individuals, families, communities, and nations. And I will take them one after the other. Number one, how it destroys individuals. Envy steals your joy and replaces it with bitterness. It destroys confidence and traps people in cycles of comparison. You begin to compare yourself with others. Number two, the families. In that, siblings become rivals. Cousins turn into opponents. Relatives begin to compete instead of support. Love becomes a battlefield. Number three, how it destroys the communities. When it sets in, communities stop celebrating their own people. Talented youths are not encouraged. Everyone becomes suspicious of another's progress. And how does it destroy organizations? In organizations, co-workers sabotage each other. People hide information instead of collaborating. In that, growth slows, productivity dies. And how does it destroy tribes and nations? Tribal envy leads to division. National envy leads to hostility, poor governance, and stagnation. Citizens envy one another instead of building collectively. Where envy lives, peace dies. Where peace dies, progress becomes impossible. Let us consider the natural laws about envy. As I always tell you that natural laws are clear and unforgiving. You cannot harvest what you do not sow. If you sow envy, you reap stagnation. If you sow hatred, you reap hostility. If you sow comparison, you reap confusion. But if you sow goodwill, if you celebrate others, if you appreciate growth, if you bless success where you see it, then nature responds with favor, opportunities, alignment, and an abundance. Whatever you celebrate in others multiplies in your own life. Now let us look at how we rise faster without envy. How do we rise faster without envy? The fastest path to your progress is not competition. No. It is self-discovery. Knowing who you are. It is self-acceptance. That is embracing your inner unique parts. It is self-development. Building your own skills. It is self-respect. Appreciating your journey. When you focus on your lane, you stop envying people in their own lane. There is enough room in life for everyone to rise. No one blocks another person's destiny. It is not possible. No one can steal what is designed for you. No one's shine reduces your own potential. Nature is abundant. There is no scarcity of opportunities. It is not possible. The only scarcity exists in an envious mind. Now let us go into a very important section of this discussion. The one I give the timeless reality pragmatic remedies. Now, to overcome envy and build a heart that attracts progress, I want you to apply these practical remedies. Number one, practice gratitude daily. A grateful mind cannot host envy. Count your blessings, not another person's achievements. Number two, celebrate other people's success. Clap for others while waiting for your own turn. What you celebrate expands in your life. Number three, focus on your lane. Your journey is unique. Comparing timelines destroys peace. Number four, strengthen your self-worth. Envy grows in insecure hearts. Build confidence through learning, discipline, and self-improvement. Number five, replace comparison with inspiration. Let people's achievements inspire you, not threaten you. Number six, forgive yourself for past failures. Self-blame fuels envy. Let go of what went wrong and restart with clarity. Number seven, build a supportive circle. Associate with people who clap for you and whom you can confidently clap for. Number eight, Honor natural laws. Be sincere. Be fair. Be truthful. Do not desire the downfall of others. Nature punishes negative intentions and rewards pure motives. Number 9, work on your own gifts. The more you develop yourself, the less you envy others. Number 10, adopt a free mind. A free mind is peaceful, content, powerful, and unstoppable. So, dear friends, I want you to look into your hearts today. Ask yourself, why does another person's success bother me? Why do I compare my journey with others? Why do I feel threatened by someone's rise? Why is it hard to celebrate people close to me? Why do I feel angry when someone gets what I desire? These questions are not to condemn you. Instead, they are to free you. The moment you cure envy, your spirit becomes lighter, your mind becomes clearer, and your life becomes more progressive. Now, imagine a world where families celebrate one another, where communities support their own people, where tribes respect each other's progress, where nations grow together, where individuals rise without hostility. Harmony becomes possible when envy dies. Beloved listeners, envy is a silent poison that destroys destinies, weakens societies, and blocks progress. But freedom is possible. Transformation is possible. Growth is possible. Choose today to release envy. Choose to celebrate others. Choose to rise with a free and a peaceful heart. Choose to align with natural laws that reward sincerity and punish hostility. Your journey is unique. Your destiny is valid. Your season will come. And until next time, align with the natural laws. Live in truth and let your life be a timeless message to the world.